So here you can see I've got the hardware mounted. I had to use a new flat bar, drill some holes in it because the pre-drilled flat bar didn't have the holes in the right places for my stud placement. Got a stud on one side of the door and nothing in that space in the header, and another stud on this side of the door. So I used a new 1/4x2 flat bar and painted it black, pre-drilled some holes, and mounted the rail to the wall using the supplied hardware. Here's the door slab I bought from Home Depot. It was a solid pine slab, and so I just put a primer, a stain blocking primer on it, and a few coats of white paint on it after getting it ready for mounting the hardware on it. Okay, so after mounting the hardware on the door, it's time to go hang it on the rail. So there's the door hung up now on the rail. Just have some hardware to put on it for a handle, and also need to install the guide for the bottom to keep the door from swinging out.